Hi, first grade. Today in math, we are going to be talking about double-digit addition with and without regrouping. Some of our problems will be double digits, some will have one digit, okay? So it's very important to remember to line up your problems in the correct way, okay? And you can always do that by drawing a line down the center here, or your equal to line here, okay? So you want to make sure you have your tens column lined up and your ones column lined up, okay? Because if you have a single digit, if this was just 8 and you put the 8 over here, that would mean 8 tens instead of 8 ones, and that would not make sense. You would get the incorrect answer. So that's the most important thing, to line up your problems, okay? Number 2, you always want to write that TO. T stands for tens and O stands for ones, okay? And then the third thing you want to do is you always start with the ones place. This O is in green because green means go, and I always start with the ones place, and so should you when you're adding or subtracting, okay? So always start with that ones place, and then you can move on to the tens place, okay? So we know that we have a little song that reminds us to start with the ones place. We always start with the ones. We always start with the ones. We always start with the ones, okay? And then we go over to the tens. Here's another little song or little rhyme that we can remind ourselves to put your tens up high and your ones down low, okay? Addition with regrouping is tricky to do, so here's a little rhyme to help you. Put your tens up high and your ones down low. Add them all together and you're ready to go. What they mean by putting your tens up high and your ones down low is, we know that 5 plus 8 equals 13. And whenever Mrs. Lutz yesterday said, uh-oh, we have a problem. We cannot write 13 in the ones place. No, 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 no. We have to put our tens up high and our ones down low. So in the number 13, it has 1 10, which goes up high, and then our ones go, which is our 3, down low. And here's the number 13, 1, 3. And then all we do is we add our tens place, and then we're done. So whenever we add our tens place, here's a little flashcard to show you. We add 1 plus 4 plus 1 equals 6. 1 plus 4 plus 1 equals 6. Now remember to use those strategies. We have a double fact here. It's a lot easier to add a double fact. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. So use those strategies that you learned, okay? All right, we're going to do a couple of review problems, and then you'll take a Kahoot quiz on addition with and without regrouping, okay?